Women are making more money than ever in ways that don't follow the traditional path. They are working for themselves, building an income online, doing creative work. They're getting paid for who they are and how they think, and not how many hours they work. It's not just about getting a high-paying job or grinding it out in the corporate world anymore. The old masculine approach where you trade your time, climb the ladder, wait for retirement isn't working how it used to. There is a new way of making money for women, the feminine blueprint of building wealth. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about the feminine blueprint of building wealth because I'm tired of seeing women hustling and grinding without getting the results. We are all winning, okay? Nobody's getting left behind. What's holding women back from making money isn't that they're not smart enough or they don't want it bad enough, but it's because the idea of money and business feels foreign to them. They don't feel qualified, they don't want to be seen, and they feel like they have to work hard and hustle. But those thoughts and beliefs are keeping you broke. Things aren't what they used to be 50 or 100 years ago. The barrier to entry for success is lower than it's ever been. It's never been easier for women to make 6 or 7 figures. And the first feminine blueprint is visibility. Huda Beauty went from sharing makeup tutorials to owning a multi-7-figure beauty brand. Grace Beverly turned her fitness and lifestyle content into a viral, sustainable athleisure brand. Getting noticed only used to be the traditional way of networking and referrals, but today the game has changed. Everyone now has access to one of the biggest marketing and sales tools, social media. You can build your brand or business from your living room or from your closet just by being seen and just by showing up. Over 74% of women-owned businesses were built on social media. Whether you want to start a business or whether you want more eyes on your business, the digital world can amplify your income. Where your business is working for you, you're reaching new audiences, you're making sales, you're working smarter, not harder. You are attracting and not chasing. That's feminine energy. When you're being visible, you're establishing yourself as an authority and building trust with people quickly. And if you know anything about business, that is the foundation of making sales. Visibility is currency, and the women who understand that are winning. And that's why I created Beauty and the Brand, a premium mini group program for women who are ready to be seen, sought after, and paid online. The link will be in the description box if you're ready to attract opportunities, work smarter and not harder, and make money the feminine way. And the best way to stand out online is to leverage your pretty privilege, which is the next feminine blueprint of building wealth. Pretty privilege is real in business, and no, it's not only young or model level beauty that count. At 53, Trini Waldor leveraged her existing profile and used social media to build a beauty brand. Fasaya Lange focused on sharing her maximalist style and now owns a 7-figure fashion brand. But you're worried about the wrong things. I don't know where to start. I don't have the right skills. Why would anyone buy anything from me? And you have a scroll-stopping face that could be making you 6 or 7 figures. Play to your strengths and leverage your pretty privilege and femininity just by being visible, just by being seen, because you're going to attract an audience who will tell you what they want from you. If people are always asking you about your skincare, your style, your home, or even your energy, they're literally pointing you towards your next business idea. Your beauty is currency. It is your unique selling point because pretty privilege exists everywhere, especially in business. The next feminine blueprint of building wealth is leaning into your zone of genius, or what I like to call unfair advantage. Martha Stewart had an eye for beauty and domestic art, and what other people saw as just homemaking, she turned into an empire. She leaned into her natural love of cooking, hosting, and aesthetics, building a $1 billion brand. A lot of women assume that they're not good at anything or they don't have anything to offer. But they often take for granted the things that come naturally to them, the things that they're good at, and assume that they're so simple and everyone can do it. But those simple and natural things are what's going to make you a lot of money. Instead of limiting yourself and forcing yourself into a masculine hustle path, tap into your natural zone of genius. The feminine blueprint of making money is asking yourself, what am I good at? What comes naturally to me? And how can I provide value and be rewarded for it? The next feminine blueprint of building wealth is soft selling. One of the things that deter women from wanting to start a business or making money on their own is the masculine advice that we hear about business. Cold calling, constantly pushing your product or service down people's throats and guilt tripping people into buying from you. But that's not the feminine way of building a business or making sales. Women actually have a superpower that's essential in building a successful brand or business. Business is about servitude, and as women, we are nurturers, we are maternal, we are constantly pouring into our families, our children, our jobs. So it's about pouring that feminine energy that's already within you into serving others, becoming or providing a solution for people's problems and being valuable. So the question shouldn't be what should I sell, but how can I serve? Because that builds trust and authority and makes you a thought leader, which means people are more likely to buy into your recommendations and whatever you're selling. That's feminine energy. The next feminine blueprint of building wealth is turning your present into profit. You will not make any money until you create a way for people to pay you. This is where you leverage the value that you're sharing into an offer. An offer is just a way for people to say, yes, I need that. Whether it's a service that you're providing, whether it's a product that you're selling, or whether it's just a skill that you're freelancing. This could be interior designing, a cookbook, home workouts, being a virtual assistant, the advice that your mum gave you, whatever it is that you're good at, you just have to package it so you can offer it to people so people can pay you for it. You need to move your audience away from social media so you can talk to them directly without fighting with the algorithm. You need a website to direct people to you so they can see your offer. You need a way for people to pay you that's just not PayPal. You need feminine systems that allow your business to run without you, and the best way of doing that is using automations and AI, and I speak more about that in this video. The feminine blueprint of building wealth is highly linked to being visible. So if you want to know how to stand out, you need to build a magnetic online presence that attracts the right audience and high paying clients. And I speak more about that in the how to build a magnetic online presence video. I will link it somewhere there. Next feminine blueprint of building wealth is something that a lot of women shy away from, and that's taking aligned action. Listen, I love visualizations and manifestation just as much as the next woman, but money flows where momentum goes. There's only so much planning that you can do. There's only so much journaling that you can do. If you want to be making 6 or 7 figures, you actually need to take everything that you're learning into practice. If you're just talking about making money and your dream lifestyle, but you're not doing anything about it, then nothing is going to change. You have to put yourself out there. You have to be seen. You have to be okay with not knowing what to do and doing it anyway. You have to be okay with failing in front of an audience. You could be the most beautiful woman. You could have the best business idea, but the difference between women who stay stuck and the women who actually build wealth is in actually taking the action, posting the content, creating your product or service. You have to own the identity or the version of yourself that makes a lot of money. Even if you feel like an imposter, even if you're afraid, do it anyway. And I know it's easier said than done. So if you want to remove the guesswork out of it, if you don't want to become just another pretty woman on social media, not making any money, if you want to be seen, sought after and paid online, you need to be part of the Beauty and the Brand Premium Mini Group program. All the details will be in the link in the description. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and abundance. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye lovelies.